ToysReview.
Hey, Mom. Ooh. What are you making, Mommy? Cereal! Wow, I love yummy cereal. Look at that.
Oh, that cereal looks so good.
Yes,
Can I have it too?
Yeah, here.
It's empty. You own my cereal.
Sorry, it's last one.
How about we battle for it? Winner gets the cereal.
It's on.
What are we doing?
I challenge you to Nerf battle.
I'm good at Nerf battle. Remember I won last time.
We'll see. Whoever goes through this maze first, at the end there'll be a target. Whoever blasts the target off first wins. Got it?
Okay, got it.
But before we begin, just letting you know, I brought backup.
What? That's not fair!
My backup!
Batman! Batman! Wow! You can't bring disappear to Nerf gun battle. I have one person too. Come on, Spidey! Yeah, Spider-Man's here. Ooh.
All right, let's begin. You ready? Let's go!
Yeah.
So whoever gets tagged 5 times, you're out, okay?
Okay.
All right, guys, there's the Nerf gun, okay?
okay.
Ready?
Uh-huh.
All right. Yeah.
Oh, so we have to go through the obstacle course. Let's do it. Okay. I got the knife.
No!
Yeah. Ready. Don't come near me!
Shoot Spider-Man!
Yeah, shoot Spider-Man! Don't shoot the Spidey! Guys, there's a blaster here! You're shooting me!
There's one right there, Batman!
Oh no! He's gonna get it! Stop it! Alright, we got all the blasters.
We're going ahead! We're going ahead!
Let's go!
No! He's beating us!
Marvel is better, but I'll still beat you up!
Okay, there it is, the target. Whoever's team reached that target first wins, right there. Almost there, I'm almost there. No, you can't get it.
Watch me out! All right, go ahead! Don't shoot me!
I'm so close! Oh, I got it! Thank you, Batman.
No problem.
Bye.
It's alright, Spidey. You did a good job. Maybe next time.
Alright, let's go home to eat cereal. Well, I will eat cereal.
Not me.
Hi everybody! Emma and Kate has a new channel launching. It's called EK Doodles. EK Doodles are the cartoon animated adventures of Emma and Kate, my little sister. Sometimes they get into trouble, sometimes they fight, even makes a huge mess. And other times they help each other and become best friends. Follow along and see how Emma and Kate interact with the world around them with the help of a magical stamp. Sometimes Big Brother Ryan, that's me, helps Emma and Kate too. Click the link below to check out the new animated show, EK Doodles! Please click on one of these videos for Ryan Toy Review more fun!